All right, guys, I got a Troy-Bilt right here. This is a Mustang XP 50-inch mower. Starts, runs, and operates well, but not perfect. Doesn't seem to be rattling or smoking or anything like that, but it does have a little bit of a stutter, like it jumps up and down a little bit. Not sure you'll be able to hear it in the video because sometimes the video cuts that kind of stuff out. So just letting you know, it doesn't ever die, but it does stutter a little bit under load, or like when you engage the blades, but it never seems to get worse. It just kind of stays the same. Could be carb clean, could be spark plugs or coil packs. We don't really mechanic on these things, but that's what's going on this one. I'll start it up and show it to you. Still operates and works just fine, and we're gonna have it priced accordingly with the issue that it's got. I'll fire it up for you. Nope, gotta choke it. It does have an hour meter, but no hours on it. See, it's not smoking or anything. Deck height adjustments right here. Lower that deck down. Blades. Yeah, so right now it's not doing it. Cut some grass for you. Idle it back down. Without the blades on or driving, it idles just fine, up or down. But it does need a little TLC.